Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the DOOGEE Tab G6 Max, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode. Let me just move it a little bit. So we are in the standard photo mode, and we can take a look at this option bar in this configuration on the left, in the regular configuration at the top. So now what we need to do is to tap on the settings icon here. So just tap on it, and here we've got the countdown duration, as you can see right here. So just tap on the countdown duration, and here we've got our timer. So in this device we've got 3 different options, so off, 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay, just mark the option. Let me go back, and now all we need to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, so this is how it works. It's really easy. If you wish to turn off the timer, again enter the settings. Here let's go to the countdown duration again and tap on off. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.